how I use AI to boost productivity. Yes, you are listening right. This video is just generated and everything done by me is by AI. Yes, AI now doing everything for you. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. If you have a YouTube channel and you need little bit of 4 or 5 things, then where you can found this, I gonna let you know. First of all, go to the ChatGPT. I gonna show you, and I asked ChatGPT to provide me YouTube video ideas for my channel, and they asked me which about the niche and topics of your channel. I let them know that my technical channel. They provided me a lot of how to explain our videos, trending topics and opinions, commentary, project building, career, anything like this. And I like this one, AI versus human, who is better? I asked ChatGPT to script for YouTube video on AI versus human, who is better coder. Now they provided me a whole script over there. We have to suit it according to ourselves, how we want to suit this. And after that, I asked them description for YouTube video. They provided me a lot of description over there. I can copy and paste this on my channel. After that, I asked them tags and hashtags. This one is a great tags. You don't have to find and write, and hashtags you can control according to yourself. Generate a landscape thumbnail for the same topic, and voila, this is the thumbnail that is generated by the AI. So that's the way you can increase your productivity. You can make YouTube channel videos, and anything you want to do, you can take help from AI. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.